viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have kept my promise. We said that today we are going to pack. Remember we sent our brother to pack for us? Do you remember in that video where we were packing, we wrote a letter to Michael so that he can pack for us. Now, how does a packing list look like? Have a look here. Can you see? We have the number, the item, the number of items, description. Why is this important? Because you will need to have the format. The format is very important. In fact, right up there, packing lists. So that someone can know exactly what you're talking about. Now, your packing list has to be as reasonable as possible. That is why I came with this. Clothes. Your brother will need to pack for you clothes. Can you see? So it will be practically, this one is you're communicating without your presence. So when I'm back at home here, packing for you, I know I will need clothes. How many? And then he'll go back. 5 items, okay? A shirt, 2 t-shirts, he will pack for you in a big suitcase. You don't need to mention the suitcase because the suitcase will be used for the packing. If he wants to embarrass you, he can come holding them in the hand anyway. So you'll have the clothes, you'll pack there. You'll also have bedding, not beddings. Remember, this is a grammar lesson. You're not talking of beddings. We are saying bedding. How many items? I have 5 of them. We'll have the bed sheets I have carried. I want you to be very clear. When I'll be looking at the packing list, I'll have to know how many. We have said it is 1 pair. So he will go in the house and pack 1, 2. Can you see that? So he'll pack there, and then he'll look at it and say, duvet. Duvet is too big. That's why you see I have not carried it here. So he will pack a duvet for you because in Tsvavo it's cold. You have to be reasonable on the things that you are packing, and then you definitely you are the ambassador of soft life. So you will be with a pillow. You will use a pillow, and you can see he'll pack for you a pillow. He's a loving brother. So he will be packing exactly what you have said. If you have said 1 duvet, he will pack for you 1 duvet. Why am I showing these things? Because this is a functional skill that you should have. These are skills that you'll have. And then you'll use toiletries. How many of them? Maybe he will say toothpaste. You pack the toothpaste. He'll also say lotion. You can see I have carried lotion here very practically. You know, you'll be in a trip and then you didn't even apply lotion on yourself. Then you'll be looking like you are in a desert. Okay, that one is a bad joke on you. So then we'll have maybe some shower gel, some perfume, everything you pack there. And then that is how you enjoy packing list. When you're writing in class, have that in mind. So these are exactly things that you can need. And you can see my packing list is not complete. Did you notice that my packing list is not complete? Because I want to give you an assignment. Definitely, if I have shown you clothes, I have only shown you 1 t-shirt. But your requirement is how many t-shirts? 2 t-shirts. 2 gray sweatpants, maybe. Because you cannot have a top. If you don't have you understand what I'm saying, isn't it? That is how you use this information in real life. You will practically use that letter. Maybe the letter that I have shown you, it's through the post office box. Although now it has been a bit outdated, check on my previous video because I have posted how to write a letter. It is an exam. The one that I had given you, it's an exam, but I want you to be as practical as possible. That is why I came with the items that you will be packing. And you see, it becomes very easy. So if you're being tested on a packing list, be as practical as possible. Even in class, have that in mind. It's a skill that you have. Put yourself in the shoes of that person who will be packing back at home. Don't take it as a very difficult task. You can see I have held on to these things, and I was saying, I know you were saying, but something is not here. Yes, that's how you are able to know you are learning. So thank you for being here. That is how you write a packing list. There are many other functional lists in the functional writing that you can go through my YouTube channel. I did, my very first video I did was on paper 1. I have mentioned some of the functional writings that you normally have. Not only a packing list, we will even have a shopping list. I will continue telling you these things. And in question 2, in paper 1, I will also show you something to do with the closed test. So keep being here. Thank you for watching. Bye.